it's me. So, come on, you stupid pillows. Everybody does, not everybody, a lot of people do these tutorials on YouTube where they tell you what to do to become a successful YouTuber. What's with the people who want to fail? What's with the people who don't want to succeed? What's with the people who want 0 followers, 0 subscribers? What's with them? Why is there no tutorial for them? Stupid, man. I bet there are many of you out there who want the secret ingredients of what to do to fail on YouTube, to have 0 subscribers all the time. Well, let me tell you, I know what to do. Stick around, watch, learn. Number 1, don't have a niche. What do you need a niche for? Why would you want to put yourself in a category where people could recognize your talents? No! Just talk about whatever you want or talk about nothing. That's a lot better. Like that, nobody would recognize your talent and you will be a successful loser here on YouTube. So, number 1, F the niche. Who needs it? Number 2, publish videos any time of the day or night. But if you really want to fail, the best thing is to publish a video at 3 a.m. in the morning, because everybody is asleep then, and you know, you will fail because nobody will be watching your video. So listen to me, 3 a.m. is the best time to publish your video. Number 3, pretend you are someone else, because being yourself is boring. You are then being unique, and that's boring. No, you don't want that. To the stupid camera. God, what's this bullshit? Okay. I'm somebody else. Yes. No, I'm like everyone else. Yes. You want to blend in, so pretend you are like anyone else here on this platform, like anyone else. Don't be yourself. That's a mistake. Stupid sun. Why is the sun shining? It's spring. It should be snowing. What is going on? What is this now? Number 4? Okay, number 4. Thumbnail is very important. It needs to be very boring and very bad looking, very ugly. Just use a black wallpaper and a white dot and nothing else. You'd be the best, the most amazing loser out there, and nobody will watch. Listen to me. What is this, number 5? Have you heard of keywords? 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 Well, you don't need that. That's stupid. That's insignificant. You wanna be the best loser out there, so you don't need keys or words, keys, or keywords. Forget that. Have a lot of stupid birds just fighting in your video. Yeah, they're making noise. Yes, that's what you need. Yes, you bitches. Yes. Yes. Fight, you bitches. That's what you need in your video. Stupid bird bitches. Yes, you bitches. Fight some more. Okay, number 6. Don't have friends who are YouTubers, because they could ruin this for you. No friends for YouTubers, because they can promote you, they want to collaborate with you, and then what? You're successful. No, you don't want that. What's wrong with these birds? Oh, I think they're helping me. They want to destroy my video. Yes, cool. Oh yeah. And don't waste money on Google ads or stuff like that. No, you don't want to promote anything in your business. No, you want 0 subscribers, 0 likes, 0 views. That's when you are succeeding. And number 7, talk very quiet, have no personality, and don't know what you're talking about. Do not know. Be totally confused. And that's the best recipe for a failure, yes. And your audience will appreciate it. Do you know why? Because they won't be there. And then you succeeded. And these stupid birds are confirming that, yes. I hope I was able to help you succeed in failing on YouTube. So, and if not, then ignore all this. I mean, if you're already successful, then just ignore all of that. Yes, we need more noise, yes, please. More noise, yes. Okay, just so you know, this took hundreds of hours to make. Hundreds of hours. So be sure to not like, not comment, and not subscribe, because I deserve that. And only like this we can all fail. Okay? Namaste.